So hello mga kautan, nandito tayo ngayon sa Christine Daihagan Pilar Capiz. So kung samahan nyo kami na ipakita sa inyo kung gano'ng kaganda ang kanilang beach. Tara!
Country road, please take me home to the place I belong, West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home, country road. Almost heaven, West Virginia, the rich mountain shall not do a river. Life is so big, older than the trees, younger than the mountain, yeah, blowing like a breeze. Country road, take me home to the place I belong, West Virginia, West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home, country road. All my memories gather around her. Mine is lady, stranger to blue water. A dark and dusty, painted on the sky. A misty taste of moonshine. She dropped.
So mga kautan, shout out dira sa aton nga mga followers kay Emily Marikit Borcelo watching from Qatar, I mean from Barangay 5. Kag kay Angela Ovas Maglaki watching from New York, sana all. Kag kay Ma'am Rose Jane Magallanes Abironia. Kay Arinas Jane, kag sa Solano family, kag sa iya pinakagwapa nga bata.
Kag shout out magali kay Sir Ryan Pasike sang Malbog Elementary School, Estancia Iloilo, kag lalo paged sa mga co-teacher ya, student and parents.
So don't forget mga kautan to follow, like and share.